at Not Scary Farm for 2023. We're very, very excited. This is going to be the 50th anniversary, so we are expecting a phenomenal night here tonight. We are with our VIP passes once again and our fast tracks, so we will try and get as many of the mazes as we can done. We're not going to be giving you too much because you should come here and visit yourself, but I am going to be giving a full-on review on Not Scary Farm 2023. Let's go! Right, okay, so guys, this is a brand new maze for 2023. This one is called Room 13. I'll let you know how it goes. Isn't just death. It's really good. Like, that's the first time I've been actually scared at a walkthrough in a long time. So 10 out of 10. Well done, Not Scary Farm. Right, okay guys, so the next one we're going to go into is the Chilling Chambers. Now apparently this one is like a collection of all of the best houses and best mazes that Not Scary Farm has done over the years. So we're going to go and have a little look. Apparently it's quite long, but we'll give it a go. Guys, we did just go through the Chilling Chambers and we're now coming into the new area which is called the Gauntlet, and we've just been past the King. So this new area is called the Gauntlet and we're going to walk through and check it out.
Something, if I could just save somebody.
Live or die? I say die. It's not your decision. I'm the
Die.
Die?
Yeah.
They said die. What? Wait.
Right, Ella, we're gonna get a word from you. You're the theme park pro. How are you thinking of the Gauntlet?
Good. It's the same. I loved it.
Yeah.
It's like Monty Python meets Game of Thrones, I'd say.
Meets death. Because everything just meets.
Yeah.
Right, okay, so guys, we did make the hanging show. Now, I will say one thing, like, there was no show times anywhere. The actual theatre was very difficult to find. We were running around for like 25 minutes trying to find it. So that's a couple things not to probably maybe work on a little bit better for the future. Maybe have some show times around, because we didn't know when the show was. We didn't know when to find it. It just said that the show was on. So that's my one little thing. We are going to go try and find Cinema Slasher now, because that's the final of the new mazes we do need to go to, and I'm really excited about this one. So we have finally made it to Cinema Slasher, which is the final one of all the new mazes, and this one looks good. Like, it looks really good. Full review when we finished. really good walkthrough actually. I was a little bit scared out by the end. I've been through all the scare zones already, so I'm kind of like a little bit freaked out already. That has been a really great night tonight, guys. Not Scary Farm 2023. The 50th anniversary was absolutely fantastic. All the new mazes were phenomenal. The Gauntlet, which is the new scare zone, was absolutely fantastic. And I'm guessing all the other ones are just as good as they were last year. I hope you have enjoyed the video, guys. I hope this has been the start of me kickstarting my YouTube videos back up again. We'll see. I hope so. If you do want to see last year's video, guys, it's literally just the last video I did. So go and check that one out as well. For now, guys, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the big subscribe button. And I hope I'll see you next time.